America has a beautiful foundational promise and has had many highly oppressive realities from then to now. For me, America saved my dad's life and tried to kill my mom. It's not just an evil thing, and it's not just a beautiful thing, although I think there are people who would want you to believe it's only either or. It is yes and. The stories of people coming to America to make a new, better, beautiful life came at the expense of other people who were here or who were brought here against their will to provide the land, the labor, and so many other things. You cannot remove the ugly stuff from the beautiful stuff. It's all on the canvas. And you can't cover up the ugly stuff and say it never happened. We need to reconcile those things and come to terms with it. The efforts today to purge federal websites and educational material and tell people what to teach and what not to teach, that won't change the truth. And truth and reconciliation begins with truth. There's no way around that. An uncomfortable array of truths.